a guide you to check old deleted messages on your Instagram. For that, let's hop into Instagram. You can go to the messages, and if you have deleted any one of the chat or the messages on Instagram, let's see how to find them. You can't find the deleted messages in the chat or in the Instagram. All you can do is that you can tap on profile, you can go to the settings, you can go to your activity. If you scroll down all the way, you can find download your information. If you tap on that, it will take you to the page where you need to download your information. Tap on download or transfer information. Select for Instagram. Tap on next. There you can select all available information or otherwise some of your information which you choose, and that information will be sent to you. If you tap on some of your information, and from here you can select, let's say we want messages, so I'm tapping on messages there and tap on next. Here you can download to that device or transfer to any of the destination. You can download to this device, and from there it will notify to your email and in the format like HTML or otherwise in the other formats that will easily import you. And if you tap on create files, that will be downloaded and you have a chance of downloading only once. Please check before you downloading this. This is how you can check old deleted messages on Instagram. Thank you.